Look at this FRA1. It is the standard. Freight percentage, discount or surcharge. FRA1 is the standard. FRA2 is not standard but customized. FRB1 again standard. FRC1 freight per quantity. FRA1, B1 and C1 are all standard, but not FRB2, FRC2. Okay, go downside. Now look at this. Yes, PB00 gross price. It is standard. R000 discount percentage on gross. R001 discount per quantity. R002 absolute discount. 03 discount percentage on net. These are all the condition types which are created by the consultant who are trying to understand the module. Now go to set calculation schema for the purchasing. There is one standard. I'm telling you the name, RM1 000. So after selecting this RM1 000, go to control data. In control data, go to where? Yeah. Look at step number 1, counter 1, gross price. Gross price. R000 discount percentage on gross price. R001 discount per quantity. R002 discount absolute. This is how a number of conditions are taken by the creator of this procedure. And when we are clicking here, manual only, it has one meaning. I will tell you what is the meaning. Means in any external documents, we can create these conditions manually. But if you go to downside and see this NAVS, non-deductible tax, and here we are taking it as statistical. It is somewhere maintained. It is somewhere maintained. So SKTO, GRW1. 3 are here which are available as statistical, and that is why somewhere these are maintained. I'm telling you, this is the topic to be done by the FICO consultants. They are there to help you. So don't worry about the calculation schema, but worry about schema groups. Define schema groups for suppliers. Yeah, do one thing. What is one schema group for supplier? See. Determines which calculation schema pricing procedure is to be used in purchasing documents containing this supplier. So supplier cannot be directly linked to the pricing procedure, but in between there is one calculation schema. Okay. Now do one thing, new entry. ZA20 supplier schema. So I created one schema. So how to assign that schema? to the business partner, run BP, click here, locator on 7000301. Yesterday we created this vendor. Now go to supplier data, FMG01, click on purchasing. Now click here and go downside. One by one, go downside. We will find one indicator by the name schema group. See, schema group supplier. Now do one thing. Mention what? Mention ZA. Okay. As I told you yesterday, we would come here again and there is one more supplier. To that also we can maintain or we can supply what? Okay, downside. ZA. Not this, but go to BP one more time. Go to locator one, 351. Supplier is maintained. ZA. Yes. Go back to the initial screen. Hold plus tab. Go back. Now do one thing. Define schema groups for purchasing organization. So that is only one dummy object. There is nothing inside. It is only one kind of connection object. So I'm creating one more. ZA double E. So that is ZA20. Purchasing organization schema. Save this information. Moving back. Now do one thing. Go back. After creation, there is always one thing. Assign. Whatever we covered, we did that. We created and assigned. Now click on position. Find purchasing organization. The first one is ZA51 and assign what? ZA, and to ZA52 also ZA. Like this. Save. Now, okay. So we have created schema groups, the dummy objects, and we have also assigned. After that, what to do? Go to define schema determination. Determine calculation schema for standard purchase orders. Now, integration. Integration between schema group for the purchasing organization, schema group for the supplier, and the pricing procedure. RM1 data entry. So ZA is connected to RM1000, ZAAA connected to ZM1000. Now these two schema groups are assigned to the procedure and individually schema group for the supplier assigned to the supplier, for the purchasing organization supplied or assigned to the purchasing organization. So there is one thing, wherever we are going to use those purchasing organization ZF51 to ZF53 and supplier 7000, sorry 74 times 0 3012 351, that procedure will be hit. Okay, that procedure will be hit. Okay, now try to understand about request for quotation. A request for quotation is an invitation extended to a vendor by a purchasing organization to submit a quotation or bid for the supply of materials or performance of services. We can approach one vendors in the market either to supply the materials or to perform any service, external service. In request for quotation, what do we contain? We contain the information about the goods or services, its quantity, date of delivery, and date of bill. In return, quotation can be maintained by the vendor. Again, there are two methods, manually, automatically. In the configuration part, we will define the document type with number range, document type with the item categories, document type with the field selection key. These things we know very well. Type of document, its description, internal number range, external number range, item interval, if only one 10, if two 20, if three 30, field selection key. Okay, now follow the path, this path. Go to HANA server. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing, RFQ and quotation, define number range, go to interval, the intervals, first one, one more, no fill intervals. Okay, don't worry, do one thing. After saving, go back, then come back. Again, go to interval, intervals, yes. Again, select one number range, edit, do your work ethically, take only 100 or 200.